Regular track maintenance and inspections are key to getting the most out of your CAT compact track loader. A daily inspection is important before you begin your workday. Inspect the track for any signs of damage, such as deep cuts, abrasions, or embedded foreign matter. Inspect the sprockets for wear. Periodically measure the sprocket as specified in your operation and maintenance manual. To extend sprocket life, the drive sprockets can be rotated from one side of the machine to the other. Refer to the Operation and Maintenance Manual, or OMM, for more information. Remove any dirt or debris. Check the undercarriage wheels for damage. Inspect the track tension. Consult the OMM for more information. Periodic adjustment of the track tension is necessary in order to avoid damage to the tracks. Maintaining the tracks at the proper tension will maximize the service life of the undercarriage components. Do not over-tighten the tracks. Tracks that are too tight can cause premature failure of the tracks. Tracks that are too tight can cause power loss and bearing failures. Tracks that are too loose increase the possibility of the track derailing or the drive lugs misfeeding on the drive sprocket. The most accurate method of checking track tension is with the machine on a level surface and supported so the entire track is a minimum of 51 millimeters or 2 inches above the ground. To check the track tension on the job site, first, drive the machine in reverse to release any tension in the track system. Support the machine so that the track is a minimum of 51 millimeters or 2 inches off the ground. Raise the arm bars to engage the parking brake and disable the hydraulic functions. With the aid of a second person, measure the track sag at the middle track roller. Measure the distance from the bottom surface of the flange on the roller to the inside top surface of the track. Refer to your OMM for the proper specifications for your machine model. If needed, adjust the track by removing the access panel on the side of the undercarriage. Pressurized grease in a cylinder is used to provide tension on the track. Use a grease gun in order to apply grease to the grease fitting on the cylinder. The track will be tightened. Recheck the track tension. Replace the access panel when the measurement for track sag is within the specifications outlined in the Operation and Maintenance Manual. Consult the Operation and Maintenance Manual, or OMM, for more information.